welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the last declutter of my lipsticks. These are my bullet lipsticks. I don't have too many anymore. I kind of stopped buying them, got rid of a whole bunch, and just kind of kept my collection, I guess, somewhat reasonable. So, but there's still room for improvement. These are a lot of my minis, which I know I can already see there's some pencil lipsticks, there's some glosses, some sticks that I've already decluttered. So since those weren't in that video, I'll just go through those here too, just because I kind of had my minis separated. But let's just get started. I'm going to kind of be brutal with these because I don't really use these as much as I do pencils or my MAC or even my liquid lipsticks that are over there. So yeah, let's just get started. So I have a whole bunch down here. How do I want to do this? Maybe I'll start in this thing and then separate maybe in here. I have my two Fresh Sugar, these are more chapsticks, but those are staying, those are fairly new. Okay, these I'm probably going to get rid of. So these are Kat Von D minis. This one is in hexagram, I think. Adora. Bachelorette. I just don't use these colors, so we'll put giveaway there. All right, let's see in here. These are some more of those Tarte pencils that I thought I only had one left. Obviously I had more. I had 4. I think I'm gonna swatch these because if the color, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that one. I do like that one. That one's more of a glossy stick, which I like. That one too is more glossy. Okay, I like those. That was easy. 1 down, kept 3. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Another MAC lipstick. Oh my heck. I did my MAC ones a long time ago. I thought I got them all. Oh, and here's another Tarte. Oh, no, let's get rid of that one. I won't wear that. Okay, so out of these, Bare Minerals, Boss, this is actually a liquid lipstick. I'm going to keep that. I love that. I am going to keep this Lip Intensity Medium Rare. This is a MAC lipstick. I'll put that with my MAC collection. I have another liquid lipstick in Swag from Bare Minerals. I love those. I think they are so good. And then a lip paint I don't like, so get rid of that. And this melted, Too Faced Melted in Queen Bee. Another Swag, which I'll keep. I don't know, like, I don't like these anymore, so I think I'm gonna get rid of them. Alright, I have, oh, here's another Kat Von D, but this is in my favorite color, Love Craft. And I even have a big size and a mini. Those are staying for sure. Let's see. Here's some more pencils. Here's a Nude Sticks in Kiss. I'm going to keep that. This is in Glacé from Bite Beauty. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. I like it. Okay. Now I'm not doing very well. Okay, here's all my Bite Beauty minis. So let's see how many duplicates I have. Probably they're all the same. So I have Nori, Chai, Pepper, Grace Pacho, I don't know, Cur Royale, oh my heck, none of them are the same, Palomino, Fig, Rose Pearl, Honeycomb. Honeycomb I know I'm keeping. I think I even have, oh, and I have Saki. I think I have a large Honeycomb. No, that's meringue. Okay, well I know I'm keeping Honeycomb. I know I'm keeping Pepper. These other, Fig I think I like. Yes, Fig is what I like. Oh, I do like this Saki one. Let's see about these others. This one is Cur Royale. It's kind of a red. This one is, oh, this is a face color. I think I'm going to pull that out and put that with my face products. I think you can use it on your face and lips. That one is red. That one is deep red. That one's a hot pink. And this one, okay, I'm gonna keep this chai. So this hot pink one, I think I'm gonna get rid of. I don't wear that color enough. Same with this nori, or nor. I don't know how to say that. I'm gonna get rid of that. But this red is so pretty. I'm gonna get rid of that. But I think I'm gonna keep this one. This one's in Cur Royale. I don't even know. Well, that went fast. Well, then I'm already gonna finish this meringue in from Bite Beauty. I'm gonna keep. This is just a really nice nude. I think that's all the Bite ones I have. Let's see. Let's try to get these into Make Up Forever, Hourglass, Givenchy, Too Faced, Make Up Forever. Here's another Nude Sticks in Pulse. I'm gonna keep that. Bare Minerals, there's that one. Okay, so I think I got them all kind of here. Okay. Oh my heck, another MAC. Ugh. This one's in Chatterbox. I'm keeping that. Oh my heck. They're like everywhere, you guys. Okay, so I have this one by Bobbi Brown, which I do like, so I am going to keep that. I have two by It Cosmetics. One is in Rose Flush and this one's in Love Story. I like both of these. I will say most of these I'm going to be keeping because I've already done a huge declutter as it is. But I mean, I got rid of a few right here, but I'll keep going. We'll see. I think I only have this one by Bare Minerals. This is in the color Moxie, which I do like. It's a color I would wear. I have this one from Tarte. It is a color I would wear also. What color is it? Cabana Boy? I don't know. Never heard of it. Buxom. I think I have 3. Yes, just 3. I have in Dolly, which is my favorite. And then I have Mistress and Hooligan, which I know I love Hooligan. Oops. Mistress. I think I'm going to hold on to it. If I don't try it, that'll be one that goes. I have one of these Givenchy, or two. This one's in Brune, Rose, Aristocrat. I don't know. Love this one. It's almost gone, so I'm going to definitely keep that and finish it. This one I haven't used as much, but I like the color. Alright, I have one from Hourglass, which is a deep red. I don't think I'm going to keep this. This is in, I have no idea, new? I don't know. This is Naked Dolly. I am going to keep this. I do like it. It's okay. It's not my favorite nude color, but I do like it. Okay, Lipstick Queen. Lipstick Queen, do I have any more? Here's another fresh Sugar Scrub and Berry. Lipstick Queen. Oh, there's one. Okay, so I have this one in Nude Sinner. Love that. Then this one is in Morning Sunrise. So these ones change to whatever color with your body chemistry or something. This one's in Medieval, but it's very sheer. I like these a lot, so I'm keeping those. I know I'm keeping my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I have a mini and the big one. Let's see what else is in here. Make Up Forever. I think most of these are the same color. So this is C211. They're both the same color, and I like them. I've used them both, unfortunately, so I'm going to keep those. And then these are both 6N, which I like both. Well, I like it, and it's the same color. Alright, with this Marc Jacobs, I have Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. How many do I have of it? Let's see. Okay, maybe I don't have a lot of it. I don't know what color this is. 2 Kiss Kiss Bang Bangs, which I like. I also like Slow Burn. This one, I think I'm going to hold on to it just because I think it's so cute. This one, I don't know if I'm going to use that. I hate getting rid of lipstick. It's so hard. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it. Okay. I am going to get rid of this. I found another Tarte lip thing I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to keep this Revlon Cushion Lip Tint. That's fairly new. I'm also going to keep my, I have 2 of the Josie Maran, what are these called? I don't know what they're called, but they like give your, they make your lips get fuller. They don't really, but that's what they say. But I like the way they feel. Okay, I have these NARS Audacious lipsticks in Bridget, Barbara, Anna, Anita, and Jane. I'm keeping all of those. Those are like my favorite lipsticks. I am keeping this Buxom and Fiery. I have all of them. The other ones are in my purse or my car. I'm going to keep this Flower Beauty in Naked Blush. I love that. I love this Orgasm by NARS lip. This is old. I'm gonna get rid of this. This was like color of the year like 20 years ago. I'm gonna get rid of that. This is fairly new, so I'm gonna keep this. This is from L'Oreal. I used it in one of my videos actually recently. I'm also gonna keep this. This is Physician Formula Muramuru Butter. I don't know how to say that. In Bikini. I looked all over for that, so I'm definitely not getting rid of it. I have one of the Juicy Shaker things from Lancome. I'm going to keep that. I also have this ColourPop Belle lipstick. That's also fairly new. I have this mini Tarte nude lipstick. It's in the color Salt Life. I like that. I have these YSL lipsticks that are really good. I'm not going to get rid of those. And last, I have my only Urban Decay lipstick because they're just not my favorite. I know it's probably taboo, but they're not. And what color is this in? Can't even see the color anymore, but I love it. So, and then they have these last 2, and I'm going to actually get rid of these. These are I got in a subscription box. This one, I just don't like the color. It's too coral for me. It's Illamasqua in the color Solar. I got that in the, maybe it was an Ipsy in October. I don't think I'm gonna wear it. So I'm gonna pass it. If I pull it out in a few months to try it, great. If I don't, then it will definitely get decluttered. And then last is this maybe I should keep this. I really like it. I'm gonna keep it, never mind. Cargo in Koto, I think. I don't know how to say that. I'm gonna keep it. So I'm keeping these 3 and I'm getting rid of what's in this one. So I didn't do really that well, but lipstick is a weakness. I've loved lipstick since I was 14 years old. I used to buy every color I could get my hands on. So this for me is a fairly good amount. It might be more for a lot of people, it might be nothing for some, but to me this is a good amount that I feel like I could really get use out of these. Maybe. If I don't, I will declutter more. But for now, that is it. So I think this will wrap up my declutter series for my lip stuff. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.